Alright, this morning is another, I know I've said I probably wouldn't do any more, but I had a bunch of stuff that I had to order, so this morning is a boring mailbag. I have a bunch of projects of things I need to fix, and I've received pretty much all the parts that I'm waiting on, except for some drive belts for a tape drive, and those might not show up for, I don't know, a month or two. So let's get started on this. And these are SATA cables. In my previous rant about the QNAP, one of the things I was going to do was build my own RAID controller, and I preemptively ordered these. I since don't currently need them, but I will probably need them in the future. And so this is male SATA power to 2Y females. Here's another one. Then this is a power connector extender, and this one takes the old standard plugs and converts them to 2Y SATA power. So I'll end up using those somewhere. Let's see. This is oh yeah, I'll have to do a video on these. These are more of these little kit or project voltmeters. I've got two different types here, two different sizes that I wanted to try out. They're really inexpensive. And we'll go into more detail on these later. And what is this? Please help me get away from crazy eBay seller fees. Please check out our new site, monolithicscatter.com. I'm not affiliated with them. Okay. Alright. This. And we'll be doing a video on this. This is a power supply tester. This is also something that I purchased to test the QNAP device. Relatively inexpensive, and we'll do a video on that in the future. And this. I've been waiting on this. Let's see what's in here. Alright, so these are trying to find a decent source for these, because I have some that I got from an estate sale, and I'm starting to run out of them, and they're not soldered. These are just prototyping boards, but these at least have solder on them, or they're plated so I can solder to them, which will be useful. These are some large ones. Some medium-sized ones and some small ones. And this. Can't wait to see if this thing is in good condition. So it's not even in a box. It smells like these, like phenolic. This is a CD drive mechanism for a Philips under-counter AM/FM CD player. Oh, good. It's broken. Excellent. Just wonderful. Well, I will be filing a claim. There goes repairing that today. Well, okay. Anyways, that's the end of the boring mailbag today. More later. Well, maybe not.